The world of remote work is opening up at rapid rates since the pandemic, which is making it easier than ever before to literally work from anywhere. In America alone, 5%, about 8 million people, work from home, and the numbers are rapidly increasing. So if you're considering working remotely or want to go off traveling and are not sure what to do, we've put together 25 of the best remote jobs you could consider. If you think we've missed any out, please leave a comment below, and whilst you're doing that, please subscribe and hit that like button. It's going to be fast and furious, so keep up or just pause at the ones you think are relevant for you, as we will be giving you links to find these jobs. So let's get going with the best 25 remote jobs. 1. Programming jobs. Video game design, coding, computer programming, front-end and back-end software developers. With an internet connection, anything is possible. There are frequently listings for programming jobs for both big and small companies on websites like We Work Remotely and Remote Company. 2. Copywriting, blogging, editing, and freelance writing jobs. From personal blogs, copywriting for larger corporations, or editing the work of others through platforms like Upwork, WorkU, We Work Remotely, Muckrack, and even LinkedIn. Writing is one of the oldest remote jobs in the book. So if you're good with words and have attention to detail, then this is well worth looking into. 3. Sales and marketing jobs. Many organizations hire remote sales and marketing representatives. From managing social media platforms or providing sales assistance over the phone or virtually, the opportunities are many. Check out websites like We Work Remotely, Flex Jobs, and Working Nomads. Company for opportunities. 4. Virtual assistant jobs. With the world becoming increasingly virtual and internet reliant, it is now possible to be an assistant from halfway across the world. If you are good at spreadsheets, planning trips, doing research, have a skill that you think you could easily monetize from afar, look into the industries and communities that you care about, and they may need your virtual assistance. Check out Upwork, WorkU, and Virtual Assistants. Com for tons of remote job openings every day. 5. Graphic designer jobs. Have a computer and a good imagination? Not only will you find inspiration if you are a digital nomad, but you may find your next big client too. Websites like Indeed and Airtasker, and the design-specific website, Dribbble, advertise remote graphic design positions. 6. Human resources jobs. There will always be a need for HR, especially in an increasingly remote world. It takes a new approach, and a new kind of thinking to manage remote teams, and what better way to learn how to manage a remote team than by working remotely yourself? From recruiting to operations, you may be surprised how many world-renowned large corporations are opening up doors to the gig economy and post on job boards on We Work Remotely or WorkU. 7. UI/UX designer jobs. Love designing user experiences, customer journeys, and getting people to interact with products in new ways? Websites like TopTal and Designer News may be the perfect place to look these opportunities. 8. Web developer, software engineer jobs. The website Gun.io is built especially for you. Consider joining an agency like this that allows you to take your engineering skills on the road. 9. Product manager jobs. Corporations in all sorts of industries hire product managers that can work from a home office or from another continent entirely. From full-time and part-time to contract work. Check out Angel List for what's out there. 10. Data analyst jobs. Become a freelance data analyst. With companies like TopTal, you will work with an industry expert on top projects from anywhere in the world. Future Jobs hosts job boards for data science and AI positions, and many may have a remote element. 11. Freelance consultant jobs. What's your expertise? What can you offer others on a consultant basis? If you prefer not being your own boss, companies all around the world frequently hire consultants through Upwork or WorkU that either travel for work or work while they travel. 12. Accountant and bookkeeper jobs. Whether you are managing the books of your own brick-and-mortar business or working as a remote accountant for somebody else, why not lighten up tax season from a beach or a roadside cafe? Check out Skill Crush's top sites for remote job listings. 13. Legal counsel / legal assistant / paralegal jobs. It's been proven that almost every job can be done remotely, and that goes for the legal profession as well. There are tons of remote legal job listings on Remote. Co and Flex jobs. 14. Customer support jobs. How many customer support specialists have you called or chatted with, and who knows where they might be located? Who knows? Many of the job boards and websites suggested previously are full of customer support opportunities. 15. Teaching jobs. With an internet connection, a webcam and a quiet room, you can be an online teacher in no time. Companies like VipeKid and K-12 open many doors for English speakers interested in teaching online whenever suits their schedule. 16. Tutoring jobs. SAT tutors, GMAT tutors and homework tutors. Why not start your own tutoring business or try working for one of the many online tutoring providers out there, like iTutor Group? Check out this list of providers on Remote. Co. There is always someone that could benefit from your skills. 17. Transcription jobs. Make money by the minute. If you enjoy listening and enjoy typing, calls for transcription jobs are all over the web from every industry you can dream of. Check out these posts from the Work at Home Wife and Flex jobs that are full of companies that need transcribers ASAP. 18. Administrator jobs. In today's digital world, many coordinating and scheduling jobs can be done 100% remotely. Once you download your company's computer software, you could be working from anywhere. Check out who is hiring virtual administrators today on Airtasker or Flex jobs. 19. Illustrator / animator jobs. Carrying on from the graphic designer theme, working as an illustrator or animator can be another way of seeing the world whilst traveling. Check out Freelancer and Behance. 20. Researcher jobs. Are you good at research? Companies like Ask Wonder employ thousands of researchers that work on a variety of freelance projects all over the world. You can work where you want and when you want. 21. Translator jobs. From bilingual to multilingual, you can take your talents anywhere, why not give it a go? Check out Flex Jobs list of companies with remote translation jobs. 22. Musician. Play the guitar or any other instrument? Then gigging in bars etc. could be a great way of seeing the world and also traveling. It might not be a regular money-making scheme as some of the other suggestions, but if you love playing, then this could be right up your street. 23. Health coach. The health and wellness space is increasingly becoming remote-friendly with internet-based coaching and consultation services. If you are qualified, even better, but if you can inspire others, why not give it a go? Take a look at Idealist, or simply, Hired. 24. Audio/podcasting/voiceovers. Do you have a voice for radio? Check out sites like Fiverr, where you are a part of a freelance community and can share what you and your voice can provide. 25. Create your own business. All remote workers are entrepreneurial, as they are often creating something from nothing, managing their own schedules, and frequently creating. Why not take your ideas to the next level? We hope you enjoyed this list of possible remote jobs and maybe inspired you to start on your path to be a digital nomad.